As you all know, we are doing topic chemicals from common salt. Two compounds, that is sodium hydroxide and bleaching powder, are already done. Now third compound from common salt is baking soda. Baking soda is actually called as sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this is the formula of sodium bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda is produced by passing carbon dioxide gas and ammonia gas in brine solution. You already know brine solution is the saturated aqueous solution of sodium chloride. When we pass carbon dioxide and ammonia gas together in this brine solution, we will get sodium bicarbonate and another compound, that is ammonium chloride, which is also called sal ammoniac. Baking soda is a mild base, and the important reaction is when baking soda is taken or sodium bicarbonate is taken and it is heated strongly, it decomposes to convert it into sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide gas. Children, this equation is the preparation of the compound sodium carbonate. Alright, so I'm revising one more time. When sodium bicarbonate is heated, sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water will form. So the first use of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. Baking soda is used to make baking powder, and baking powder is a compound or a mixture, or you would say baking powder is a mixture which is used in so many food items like making doklas, idli, crispy pakoras and all. Children, baking powder is actually the mixture of baking soda and a mild acid like tartaric acid. Children, what is the function of sodium hydrogen carbonate in making food item fluffy? Now this is the question. Children, you already know sodium hydrogen carbonate, when it is heated strongly, it decomposes into carbon dioxide, water and sodium carbonate. So carbon dioxide is a gas which is responsible to make any food item soft, spongy or you would say fluffy. Water, at that temperature it is eliminated in a form of moisture, and sodium carbonate left behind, which is formed due to the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate. So the problem is sodium carbonate, which is forming by the decomposition of sodium carbonate, which is forming by the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate, is bitter in taste and which can spoil any food item taste. So what we used to do, we used to mix tartaric acid in baking powder. What is the function of tartaric acid? Tartaric acid react with sodium carbonate, which is formed by the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate and form sodium tartrate. Sodium tartrate is tasteless. It does not harm any food item. So tartaric acid is mixed in baking powder to remove the bitterness of sodium carbonate formed due to the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate and making food items soft and spongy is a function of carbon dioxide gas evolved due to the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate. Children, another use of sodium hydrogen carbonate is it is also acts as an antacid. Antacid, I told you earlier children, antacid is actually a mild base. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also a mild base. When we got indigestion problem due to the production of excess of HCl in our stomach, it used to be nullified or neutralized by by having some mild base, and mild base could be this sodium hydrogen carbonate. When this base will come in a contact with hydrochloric acid present in our stomach, the neutralization reaction happens and we got relief because we get rid of the excess of HCl produced in our stomach. And the last one, it is also used as soda acid fire extinguishers. Soda acid fire extinguishers means the extinguishers in which carbon dioxide gas used to be produced. Carbon dioxide never burns in air, it used to extinguish the fire. Now children, another compound, washing soda. Washing soda is prepared by heating sodium bicarbonate. It decomposes to give you sodium carbonate, and this sodium carbonate will be mixed with water and we obtain crystals of sodium carbonate. So children, before this I want to tell you, sodium carbonate or washing soda, I would say its chemical formula is Na2CO3 10H2O. These 10H2O are the crystallization water molecules or water of crystallization. With in one molecule of sodium carbonate decahydrate, we will get one molecule of Na2CO3 and 10 molecules of water. Children, these water of crystallization are the fixed number of water molecules which is present in one formula unit of a salt. Another example of such compound is blue vitriol or CuSO4.5H2O. In this case, 5H2O are the water of crystallization, and children, because of the presence of water of crystallization, certain compounds also adopt a characteristic color. For example, copper sulfate with water molecules is blue in color, and when on heating this compound, after taking in test tube, these 5 molecules of water will be evaporated and a compound which is remaining behind in the test tube is called anhydrous compound, and the color of this anhydrous copper sulfate is white. And if you take this anhydrous copper sulfate and you put 1 or 2 drop of water into the test tube, you will again get blue color copper sulfate pentahydrate. Actually, water of crystallization are the water molecules which accumulated over the surface of the molecule. Because of this water molecule, you can say the compound becomes crystalline. And if you remove this water of crystallization water molecules, it may be amorphous. It may be amorphous, not always. It may be. So, here sodium carbonate decahydrate is also containing 10 water molecules which are called water of crystallization. When sodium carbonate is taken, which is prepared by heating of sodium bicarbonate, and it is recrystallized with water molecule, we will get crystals of sodium carbonate decahydrate. Children, sodium carbonate decahydrate, as its name is saying, it is used as a cleansing agent for domestic purposes like washing clothes. A very important use of sodium carbonate or washing soda to remove permanent hardness of water. Very important, children. It is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Sodium carbonate is also used to manufacture glass, soap and paper. And the last use is it is also used to prepare borax. So children, another compound, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Children, chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and its chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O or CaSO4 whole twice dot 1 H2O. I can say here with 2 molecules of calcium sulfate, 1 water of crystallization is attached. Now preparation of POP. POP is formed by heating gypsum at 100 degrees Celsius. Gypsum, its molecular formula is CaSO4.2H2O. When it is heated at 100 degrees Celsius, 1.5 molecules of water will be eliminated and POP will obtain. Children, when we are taking POP or plaster of Paris and we are adding water into it, it is turning up into hard mass, and this hard mass is of gypsum only. Gypsum is obtained when plaster of Paris is added with water. Plaster of Paris is used by doctors in hospital for setting fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is also used for making so many decorative items, the idols also. These all are the uses of plaster of Paris. So children, this was the last topic of this chapter. Our chapter is over now. Along with this PPT, I am going to send you the notes of this chapter and the textual answers which is noted down by you people in your notebook.